How to use a balloon tying tool to securely fasten a balloon. First, we need to prepare a balloon, an air pump, and a balloon tying tool. Let's observe the balloon knotter. Now we need to use a pump to inflate the balloon. Then pick up the balloon tying tool. Place the knotter on 3 fingers of either the left or right hand. Pinch the balloon neck and wrap it around the knotter for 1 full turn. Insert the balloon nozzle through the gap and hook it. Finally, pull out the balloon and tie it tightly. The balloon is all tied up now. Isn't it simple? Have you learned it?